Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use Midjourney without Discord. So if you want to use Midjourney without Discord, then what you can do is you can simply use some other alternatives of Midjourney that works like Midjourney, but in order to generate images on them you don't need to have a Discord account. So one of such website is this, which is called Night Cafe. So in order to come to this website, you will have to open your web browser, and in the search bar you will have to type creator.nightcafe.studio. Once done, you will be landed on this page where if you scroll down a bit, you will notice that there are a bunch of different images that are similar to Midjourney, and in order to use a Night Cafe you don't need to have a Discord account. So over here you just have to first create your account, and after that in this section you can provide your prompt. Then you will have to tap on this create button. Now after waiting for some time, it will show you your creation, which you can even download in your device. So in order to download it, you will have to click on this download button, and this will be start downloading in your device. The best part about Night Cafe is that you are going to get 3 credits per account, so you can use it before purchasing its pro trial, or you can even use multiple emails of yours in order to create account on Night Cafe and in order to generate images. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.